Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. So we've been talking about Dubsado's features and the different things that are going to help you run your business more efficiently. And this week, we're going to talk about contracts and forms. So for me, when I first started my business, I was piecing together several different outside, platforms to bring in, new clients, bring their information in, send them proposals, send them contracts, get those contracts signed, collect information in questionnaires, all kinds of different things. I was using Word, I was using PowerPoint, Woofu forms, Typeform, Jotform, lots and lots of different programs that are out there. And at the time, it was great for me because they were all free. But as my business grew, it became very cumbersome to try and collect all that information, piece it all together, and make it seem like a seamless process for the customer. Where on the back end, I was pulling my hair out trying to get everything, connected between those apps. But the great thing about Dubsado is all of those different pieces are contained within one platform. So I can collect signatures on contracts, I can send proposals and quotes, I can send questionnaires and collect information from clients. And everything is contained within one platform. And even, among these different pieces, they can talk to each other. And in automated workflows, say, for example, as soon as a proposal is accepted, I can go ahead and show them the contract without even having to do anything on my side with anything manually. It's all done automatically. Same thing with questionnaires. As soon as a contract is completed, Dubsado can automatically send a questionnaire to collect more information and onboard my clients. Some other great features are file uploaders. So if you need to collect any information from your clients, you can put a file uploader in your forms and they can just upload their files directly to it. If you're a little more advanced and you know HTML coding, you can use the custom code styling and make your forms even more custom and branded to your business, and also provide any additional features that you know how to code using that code block. Create proofs. I've actually done this with a couple of my clients where we've created a proof form that they can send the information to their clients and have them review the proofs and sign off or initial on those proofs and send their feedback and changes as needed. Everything is really easy to do in Dubsado. You can password protect these forms or not. That's up to you, totally up to you. But there's just lots of really different things that you can do with the forms in Dubsado. That's really great. Really helps you streamline your business, keeping it all together in one platform instead of having to piece several different platforms together and try and make that seem like a seamless process for your customers. So that's it for this week. Next week, we're going to dive into accounting, the accounting features in Dubsado. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then.